It's currently day 2 for my theoretical driving course, and I'm so ready. I exercise for quite a bit, pero sandali lang. Siguro 5 minutes lang of jumping jacks. And then yoga, I did breathing because lately I've been so anxious, siguro sa excitement and new journey for this. And I'll take you again on my day 2. See you. Thank you for always fetching me and bringing me. Thank you for always bringing me and fetching me. Papa, thank you for always bringing me and fetching me.
Yes, I'm a driver. Sweet lover.
Yes, later ako na yung driver.
Ana.
Hey friends, so here's with my husband. I'm here with my husband. Papunta na kami ng LTO, and if you have seen the previous video na I'm done with my TDC theoretical driving course. I was done May 18, and then the reason na ngayon ako nag-apply or mag-apply ng student's permit is because kakarating lang ng birth certificate, and it's very important. So, especially sa married women, because you need the marriage certificate, and you have to get it photocopied. So, just look at the next, or I'm just gonna list, or sa next slide, yung mga requirements. And then, after I get my student's permit, I can enroll in the PDC, practical driving course. So, doon sa pinag-enrollan ko ng TDC, it's 4,000 for 4-wheel class. For motorcycles, it's just 1,900. So, iba na ngayon kasi if you want a license with 1 and 2, meaning motorcycle and 4 wheels, you have to enroll separately. So, 1,900, the motorcycle practical driving course, and the 4-wheel is 4,000 for the practical driving course. So yun, I'll take you with me while I'll get my student's permit.